This is what it looks like. These are the handles. See, there's two barrels. Can you see these two arrows? This is the front. You'll put the paper through so that it goes between the two barrels, but you'll do it from the other side. You put the paper in. I'm going to put this back. And then now you've got to squeeze your handles. And you squeeze like that, and that holds the paper between the barrels. And hopefully you have it lined up straight before you squeeze it. And you're going to squeeze it like this, you're going to hold it like this. And then with your other hand, you're going to turn the knob. I did not get it in straight, so it's going crooked. But you turn the knob. Then you get these corrugations. There, you can see that good. So you can take plain paper, just plain paper, and run it through the crimper. And then this paper crimper, you can use it on any weight of paper. See, here's a piece of paper, a little piece of designer paper, decorative paper, whatever, that has a white back. You can feel it when it touches the inner barrel, and then we're going to squeeze, and then we're going to turn it. Okay, and then it makes the corrugations on thin paper. This was a piece of like cardboard that came from the back of a tablet.